Understanding the high guard in 15 minutes through 7 rounds. Hello Earthlings, Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here, and today we're gonna get into understanding the high guard in 15 minutes through 7 rounds, made famous by 3 greats of our generation, Winky Wright, the best to do it in that guard, Oscar De La Hoya, and then good old Miguel Cotto. We're gonna go from very basic to advanced. We're gonna be focusing on the movement and the actual guard itself at the beginning, after the warm-up, and then from there we're gonna start incorporating punches and combining defense with offense. I want you to have fun throughout the process. It makes it a lot easier to pick it up, and if you need some more to get some more, but other than that, let's begin. All right, the first thing we wanna do is jog in place. This is the #1 thing that boxers do to get that stamina of the boxing gods, to get that stamina of the elites. The ones that were the best in the ring, going 12 to 15 rounds, they would run or jog anywhere between 3 to 5 miles every day, or every other day, 7 to 10 miles. I'm not saying that's what you should do. Low impact exercises are better, such as jumping rope, swimming, or if you're gonna run on a treadmill, because it does kind of eat at your knees. Now you wanna start jogging around, getting that blood flowing throughout your body, and think about what running is, okay? You're constantly moving. In the ring, you do not wanna stand still. That's how you become rigid. You wanna be pliable, and in order to be pliable, you have to flow. To flow, you have to understand the sweet science. That's to hit and not get hit. So we're gonna get right into that imaginary jump rope. You're gonna act as if there's a rope going around your whole body. Jumping rope is one of the best things you can do for understanding the rhythm and getting that fluidity. Because if you never jumped rope before, you'll start to see how hard it really is to get that rope around your body without your feet getting caught up in it. All right, now you're going from side to side, toe to toe. When you're jumping rope, you feel it in your shoulders. It really builds up the endurance here. We're keeping your hands up. You feel it in your calves. You feel it in your core. The beauty of it is that it hits everything. Now we're gonna go side to side. All right, side to side. Staying nice and light on your toes. Side to side. Don't let it get the best of you. I know this may be a little difficult if you're not used to it. But just think like you're a little kid and you can't wait to get that candy that your teacher is gonna give you. All right, now from here, for the next round, we're gonna get into the actual boxing stance and we're gonna focus on movement. So if you're southpaw, it's gonna be left foot right outside that right. Conventional, right foot right outside that left. Bring those hands up, slightly bend your knees, stay nice and light on your toes, bring your hands forward, tuck your chin, and make your body a small target. Now from here, we're gonna bring the guard up high. Now, to move to the right, you're gonna push off that front foot. To move back, again, off that front foot. To move to the left, you're gonna push off that back foot. And then to move forward, you're gonna push off that front foot. All right, so you wanna get comfortable right here, making sure your feet do not cross. And as you get comfortable right here, we can start incorporating more techniques in there as it progresses. All right, so you're gonna go side to side. You wanna act as if you're following an imaginary opponent. They're right in front of you. You don't want them to get away, all right? So you're visualizing that person in front of you and you're following them, making sure your feet do not cross. You don't wanna be too square. Again, you wanna make sure that right foot's right outside that left and you're making your body a small target. All right, now from here, we're gonna get into the blocks. Left, right, all right? Just bring it up. You bring that left back, make sure it's blocking that temple. Same with that right. Wanna make sure it's blocking that temple. Again, left, right. Make sure your feet do not cross. Going to the right, going forward, left, right. Going back, left, right. Now from here, you're gonna act as if you're catching a quick punch that's trying to come your way by parrying. All right, so you're slightly gonna bring your left hand forward to parry that jab. So just like that there, and you're bringing it right back to the face. Because if you overextend it, you're leaving yourself wide open to get hit with a shot. Remember, the focus is the high guard. And then you're gonna catch a cross coming from you by throwing that right hand in front of it, just like that here, and right back to the guard. All right, so block, forward, parry. All right, block, parry. Block, parry. All right, now from here, we're gonna start incorporating a little bit more blocks Still staying with what you see here and moving the head. All right, right back into that stance. Left, right block. And now to block the body, you're gonna dip. All right, so you're just gonna dip, and that's how the shots get caught on the body. All right, so going to the left, dip, catching the body shots. Left, right, blocking that head. Parry, left, right. All right, now you're gonna dip again if that person's throwing a wild haymaker, because you wanna use this guard, but you don't wanna just stay right here and absorb a lot of it. Now to take the steam off the punch, you roll with that haymaker left, right, or you can just fully dip, okay? So that person's unloading a haymaker, just fully dip, get out the way. All right, so you're blocking, left, right, dip, left, right, and then parry the left, parry the right, parry the left, parry the right, left, right, making sure those feet don't cross, dip, right back up. Again, you're following your opponent down. You're trying to zap their confidence away. You go forward, they go back, you go back. They go forward, you go forward. They go side, you go side. All right, now from here, we're gonna get into the roll. Keeping that guard up high. To roll, you wanna go down in a circular motion to the left, and then same with the right. You can do it step into the left, or you could do it step into the right. Right back to guard. All right, left, right block, dip, roll left, roll right, keeping those hands up high. Always ready for anything to come your way. All right, now we're gonna step back. Just like that there, we're gonna step right back. So that's them trying to lunge. You can step back, and you can set yourself up to counter with an uppercut or a hook or a punch of your liking, depending on what the situation calls for. Stand right in that guard. This is tunnel vision. You're not letting that opponent get out of your sight. Left, right block, dip, blocking that body. Step back, all right? Dip, roll left, roll right, keeping those hands up. All right, for the next round, we're gonna incorporate the jab, and then the second half of the round, it's gonna be a double jab. Have fun with it. All right, keeping those hands up. All right, you're acting like this is a fight. You're acting like this is a fight. Left, right block, jab, all right? You're just gonna jab, just simply throw it out from right where it is. Keeping that guard tight, okay? Block left, block right, jab. Step forward, dip, jab. All right, step back, literally just step back, jab, left, right, block. All right, dip, roll left, roll right, right back to guard. Jab, jab. All right, now we're gonna step with the jab, pushing off that back foot. Jab, stay in the guard, left, right, block. Push off that back foot, jab, stay in the guard, left, right, block. All right, step back, dip, jab. Right back at it, keeping that guard high. Not keeping that opponent out your sights. Wherever they're going, that's where you're going. They're going left, you're going left. They're going right, you're going right. They're coming forward, you backing up, staying good with that guard. They're going forward, you go forward. Keeping that guard up high. All right, dip, block into the body. Left, right block. All right, now we're gonna double jab. 1, 2, right back. 1, 2, dip. Jab, jab, dip. Jab, jab, left, right, block. All right? Jab, jab, dip. Jab, jab, roll left, roll right. Right back to guard. Let's go. Make sure those feet do not cross. You're keeping that opponent in your way. All right? Now we're going to slip left, slip right. Make sure your head breaks the center line. Slightly leaning forward to get out the way of a jab. And then going to the right to get out of the way of a cross. Make sure your head breaks the center line. Slip left, jab. Slip right, jab. Slip left, jab, jab.
10 seconds.
Slip right, jab, jab. All right, left, right block, dip. Step back, roll left, roll right, jab, jab. All right, now we're gonna incorporate the cross with the jab while still utilizing what it is you learned from the first 2 rounds. Right back to high guard. Let's go. All right, you're picking them off. You're catching that jab with your left, parrying it slightly. Same with the right, parry. All right, now from the parry, we're gonna get into that cross. Parry that left, parry the right, cross right behind it. Make sure your whole body goes into the punch and you're pivoting your back foot. You don't necessarily need to pivot, but you wanna make sure your whole body's rotating into that. All right, now from here, parry jab. Parry cross, cross right over. Left, right block. Dip, jab, cross. All right, again, keeping that guard up high, making sure your legs don't cross. Step to the left, roll to the left, jab. Step to the right, roll to the right, jab, jab. Keeping that guard up high. All right, let's go. Stepping forward, jab, cross. Step back, cross. Keeping those hands up. You want to make sure the punches are going in a straight line. Okay? Double jab. Pop, pop. Keeping those hands up. Not letting them get close. Stepping back. Slip left, slip right. Jab, cross. All right, you don't want to be predictable. All right, you want to make it really hard for them to come forward, not knowing what you're going to do. You want to put some power behind it. All right, slip left, slip right, dip, jab, cross. All right, coming forward, rolling to the left, jab, cross. Rolling to the right, jab, cross. Left, right, block. Dip, blocking to the body. All right, now dip, blocking crazy haymakers coming your way, keeping the guard up high. Left, right, block. Dip, protecting that body. Step back. Jab, jab, cross, right back. Keeping those hands up. Picking them off. Parrying those shots as you're coming forward. Jab, cross. Parrying those shots. Parrying those shots. Jab, cross. Right back to the head. You don't want to fully block your peripheral so you can see something coming out of your peripherals. Dip, jab, cross. Back up. All right, now from here, we're going to get into the hooks. Again, while keeping that hard guard up and putting in everything we learned from the previous rounds into this one. Okay, keeping our hands up. Left block, left hook. All right, so you roll, bam. It makes it easier for you to get into that movement. Okay, combining offense, well, defense with offense. Right, right hook. Moving. Let's go. Changing up your rhythm, throwing them off. Jab. All right, you're gonna double jab. Pop, pop. All right, step back. Left block, left hook. Right block, right hook. Keeping that guard up. Make sure your arm is in and off in the 90-degree angle when you're throwing those punches. All right, have fun with it. Keep that chin tucked and making sure you're looking at your opponent's collarbone. Do not focus on their eyes. The eyes can play tricks on you. Focus right here. Keep that guard up. Step back. Left, boom. Right, boom. Dip. Roll left. Jab, cross. Step back. Left hook. All right, you're gonna step, pushing off that back foot, left hook, right back to guard. And you're gonna do jab, jab. All right, so you're gonna step, left hook, guard, jab, jab. Again, keeping that guard up high. Parry that right, cross. Step back, cross. Now, you're gonna do a check hook by stepping back in the high guard, and as you step back, pop, you throw that left hook in the mix. Bop! Keeping that guard up. Jab, jab. Jab, cross, step back, left hook. Bop! Catching him with that check hook. Okay, so again, jab, cross forward, step back, left hook. Staying with that hard guard. Catching the shots, dipping. Making sure they're not coming through your guard. Left, right, parry. Left parry, jab, jab. Right back, keeping those punches straight. All right, now you're doing that left hook, you're gonna double it up. Pop, pop, and step back. You wanna get out of range. You don't want to be in their face. You're thinking about what is your opponent trying to do to you. All right, one more round. For the last round, we're going to incorporate uppercuts, and I'm gonna make it really feel like there's a fight happening. Have fun with it. It makes it easier to really have the moves marinate in your head. All right, let's go. Keeping that guard up. Last round, you're gonna finish strong. I know this is maybe being a little difficult. Jab, double jab, pop, pop. Keeping those hands up. All right. You're gonna dip, you're gonna catch that body shot, bam, right uppercut. Bam! All right, you're going to the body, you're gonna catch that body shot to the left, bam, right back to the guard. And as you're throwing it, your hand follows through with your whole body. Right back. All right, again, catch, pop, pop. All right, double jab, pop, pop. Keeping those hands up. Left, right block, dip, blocking that body. I want you to think of this as an actual fight happening. That's how those motor skills and those reflexes really come into play. Don't let those feet cross. Block left, block right, jab, jab. Block left, jab, jab, cross. Keep those hands up. Make sure those feet don't cross. Roll left, jab, cross, left hook. Keeping those hands up. All right, again, jab, step back, right uppercut. Double jab, step back, left uppercut. Roll right. Keep those hands up. Left, right block. Last minute, finish strong. All right, jab, cross, left hook, left uppercut. Keeping that guard up. All right, you want to break them down. Left hook to the body. Pop,
Right hook to the body. Pop. You drop your hand at a 90-degree angle. You want to dig in right around the rib cage. You want to make them feel it. Double jab. Pop, pop. Triple jab. Pop, pop, pop. All right. Jab cross. Roll right. Jab. Check hook. Stepping back. Keeping that guard up. Jab cross. All right. Dip. Blocking that body. Slip left. Slip right. Dip. Jab, jab. All right. Slip left. Jab. Left uppercut. Keeping that guard up. All right. Step back. Slip right. Bam. Right uppercut. All right. Now we're going to do jab, cross, finish it strong. Just onslaughting with the, just going forward. Just putting on the onslaught. Taking the confidence away. Keep going. Thank you for joining me here today. And if you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. And if you want to catch more videos like this one, check out this video right here. And always work towards becoming your greatest version.